Are Tesla cars really reliable? Here's what you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Elon Musk's brainchild has revolutionized the automotive industry, making electric vehicles mainstream. Tesla cars have taken the world by storm with their sleek designs, cutting-edge technology, and promise of a greener future. But there's one big question everyone wants to know. Are Tesla cars really reliable? In this video, we'll dive deep into Tesla's performance, build quality, customer satisfaction, and real-world reliability. Stick around to the end to get the full picture. This question of reliability is crucial. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button so you never miss out on our latest car reviews and insights. Subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell. Also, let us know in the comments what's your take on Tesla's reliability. Now, let's get into it. What makes Tesla stand out? First, let's talk about what makes Tesla cars so unique. They're packed with futuristic features like Autopilot, over-the-air software updates, and some of the longest electric ranges in the industry. Tesla is also a pioneer in making electric vehicles, EVs, desirable, pushing boundaries with innovation. However, with great innovation comes great scrutiny. While Tesla cars are undeniably groundbreaking, their reliability has been a topic of heated debate. So, what do the stats and experiences say? Build quality concerns. One of the most talked about aspects of Tesla's reliability is their build quality. Issues like uneven panel gaps, paint imperfections, and occasional interior flaws have been reported by owners. While these don't always affect performance, they can impact how premium the car feels. Tesla has improved manufacturing over the years, especially with their newer models like the Model Y, but build quality remains a mixed bag compared to traditional automakers like Toyota or Mercedes-Benz. Battery performance and longevity. Now let's dive into Tesla's batteries, arguably the heart of the car. Tesla is a leader in EV battery technology, offering some of the best ranges on the market. On average, Tesla batteries last over 300,000 miles, which is impressive compared to traditional car engines. However, battery degradation is real. Most owners see a minor drop in capacity over time, but this typically doesn't hinder daily usability. Plus, Tesla's vast supercharger network makes long trips convenient for most drivers. Software and Autopilot reliability. Tesla's software is another highlight, but it's not without its challenges. Autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) features are revolutionary, but they require constant updates to address glitches and safety concerns. Some drivers report bugs, but Tesla's ability to fix issues remotely via updates is a game changer. Despite these occasional hiccups, Tesla owners generally appreciate the tech advancements that keep their cars feeling fresh over time. Tesla's software is truly out of this world. Real-world owner experiences. What do Tesla owners say? Surveys reveal that Tesla ranks high in customer satisfaction but mixed in reliability rankings. Many owners love their Teslas for performance, tech, and environmental benefits, even if they encounter minor issues. The general sentiment? Tesla reliability is good enough for most drivers, but it's not perfect. For some, the pros far outweigh the cons. For others, traditional automakers might be a safer bet. So, are Tesla cars really reliable? The answer depends on what you value most. If cutting-edge technology, performance, and sustainability are your priorities, Tesla is hard to beat. However, if bulletproof reliability and flawless build quality are your main concerns, you might want to look elsewhere. What do you think? Are Teslas worth the hype despite their flaws? Let us know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all things cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.